What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video guys, I just want to show you something that I just learned from one of the videos online. And I usually have the logos, which I usually just like this one. So I usually have the logo that I put in front of the video before I export my videos, because I usually make films. So in all of my films I want to have my logo before the movie starts. So in this scenario I want to put this logo in the beginning of the sequence, of the entire sequence. So we have those three tools here. This is for the markers. If you want to put something and move the marker as it is, usually what I usually did, I'll just click Ctrl A, then it will just select my clips, then I will just move my clips backwards, then I'll just drag this and I come and put it right here. Then that's how I will have my own logo in front of the videos. But sometimes it will be a very long video. For example, it can take like 40 minutes. There will be so much markers, and sometimes like you cannot move markers using like Control A and you select everything, then you move it backwards, you know. So how do you do it? The easiest way, you just come to ripple all. So the moment you click ripple all, it will just move the entire clips, your videos, whatever, your audio, straight backwards. So I will just drag this. I want to put it straight in the beginning, so I go straight to the beginning, then I just put it there. You see, it will just move this thing. So you click Ctrl Z, then if I click both of them, it will move like the audio track and the clips. Just take it as it is, then you put it straight in the beginning. You can see it will just move the audio and the clips. But right now you do notice like the marker doesn't move. So if I select this, I want to also move the marker backwards. So I select this, I come straight to put it in the beginning. So it will remove the audio, the clips, and also the marker. Okay, then my intro, like my videos will also have like this intro in the beginning. But sometimes I forget to add this clip. All right, there's so many ways to do it. I forget to add this clip. There's so many ways to do it, by the way. So you can just double click this, right? Then you select this clip. This, you can see this clip, this is what I have here. Then you can just click R, then it will automatically froze them signs you might not survive. You see, but sometimes like I don't want to do that. I just want to add this clip. Including this clip, I will still want to have this clip. So how do I do it? Make sure you go straight to your video track, you lock your video track. That's number one. Then you take this clip, then you put it in between here. It will move everything backwards. After moving everything backwards, you listen to it, then you play and you see where you will do a cut. Okay, let's just have a little bit of a listen. Bro said who's on set tonight? If you froze them signs, you might survive. So around here I want to have my clip, I want to have my own cut, so I can zoom out. Then you can just go straight where you want the cut to be. Then you click Ctrl Shift O, then it will just move everything backwards. Then we'll have that little bit of a gap. Then you just make sure you unlock this. Then you take your track, then you make it Ctrl Z. Just make sure like you undo, you remove all of this. Then you can just make you can enlarge your audio track just like that. So now I just have this clip between set tonight. If you froze them signs, you might not survive. Rambo blade with a carbon bite. One wrong step, that's the end of. So guys, this is how you use like the ripple tool here. This one is used for the markers, this one ripple all, and this ripple you use to move like both the clips and the audio. Sometimes if you don't want to move certain things, you just come here and make sure you log that specific track where you don't want anything to move. This video is highly inspired by the House of Tech. Thank you so much, brother, for showing me how to do this. Hope you guys learned something on this video. Thank you so much. Please do leave a comment. I can't wait to see what you'll have to learn from me next time. Bless.
Hold up, blacked out transit slide. 2 man deep, can't let that slide. Bro said who's on site tonight? If he throws them signs, he might not survive. Rambo blade with a carbon bite. One wrong step, that's end of life. No TikTok talk, we don't type, we drill, we chill, then ghost by night. Hoods up, windows down, that's glide mode. Move silent, speak code, don't upload. Big smoke in the whip, that's roll code. Step correct, your postcode gets cold. Man can't flex if the block ain't safe. OT trips tryna clean that plate. G-lock clicks, no time, no chase. You freeze for a sec, that's a grave mistake. Bro got nicked, now the gang rotates.